SHIELD as an organisation has the objective of protecting the world. The regulators prescribe the rules that SHIELD must follow. The people of the world are the shareholders, investing in SHIELD for protection from unworldly threats. The director's primary responsibility is to protect the organisation interests and provide the shareholders with a return on their investment. They achieve this by interpreting the statutory and regulatory requirements and analysing the environment to determine how the organisation can best serve the shareholders' interests. The directors are responsible for giving the organisation direction. They do this by producing company policies that dictate how the organisation will conduct its business and what the nature of that business will be. The CEO considers the company policies and legislative requirements to gain an understanding of how the organisation needs to be governed and what it needs to achieve as organisation's objectives. Once the objectives are determined, the CEO formulates a strategy as to how the organisation will achieve its objectives. The CEO then identifies the various management systems and plans needed to implement the strategy and pulls together a specialist management team to help build and run the organisation. The CEO also determines what risks the organisation is willing to take in pursuit of its objectives and establishes the risk profile of the organisation. The WHS manager establishes and maintains the WHS management system in accordance with the statutory and regulatory requirements and company policies. The management system will be contextualized to support the workplace in implementing the strategy and achieving its objectives. The WHS manager creates the WHS management plan in accordance with the risk management system and other management systems. This plan outlines how assets will be used and managed to comply with the management system in pursuit of the organisation's objectives. Supervisors access and use the company assets in accordance with the management plan. Supervisors are authorised to give directions to other workers in accordance with the management system. Workers use company assets as authorised by supervisors to perform assigned tasks in the workplace. The management system framework is embedded in the organisation. All stakeholders contribute towards establishing and maintaining it as a system in pursuit of achieving the organisation's objectives. The directors provide the direction and objectives. The CEO creates a strategy to achieve the objectives. The managers develop their respective management systems and plans to support the strategy. The supervisors manage the resources in accordance with the plan. The workers carry out their work in accordance with the plan to achieve the company objectives.